At present, a lot of products lack quality, include non-biodegradable materials and entail high manufacturing costs, all of which have a huge impact on our beautiful natural world. Introducing NatureOne, a unique and innovative adventure kit for children which has overcome many of these issues. The kit is focused on helping resolve the problem of diminishing broadleaf forests and the underutilisation of wood thinnings. Thinning is the process of felling slower growing or defective trees to provide more space for the remaining trees to grow and restore forest health. This high quality timber though is not used to its full potential and is often used as firewood. It is imperative that through toys such as NatureOne we educate children about ecology with the hope it will encourage them to grow up to care for the planet in which they live. The journey to the proposal of NatureOne included in-depth research of what is essential in toys to aid a child's development, as well as educating them about wildlife and plant life. The root cause of climate change is humans. We therefore need to ensure our younger generation don't follow the same trend. Reports show that children aren't engaging with their outdoor surroundings anywhere near enough, and it has been proven there is a strong connection between positive childhood experiences in nature and caring about the environment in adulthood. Research has also shown the importance of promoting the benefits of outdoor play, as well as the market for toys which educate kids about nature through play and adventure will only continue to grow in the future, with the thought that in 2050, 7 out of 10 people will live in urban areas. NatureOne will consist of 10 pieces, including binoculars, magnifying glass, spade, rake, 2 handles, whistle, pencil, recycled paper and a child's nature guide, all of which will be retailed in a fair trade organic cotton bag which will also double up as a carry bag for the child. The guide included is written in a child-friendly manner and includes pictures and fun facts about animals which can be spotted, as well as information on different species of flowers and trees. Some of the pieces within the kit will need to be assembled using salvaged sticks and twigs found in their garden or local green spaces. This is a key element of NatureOne, as construction play is very important in juniors to help the brain look beyond a one-directional way of thinking, help them think creatively and problem solve. The kit is designed to make children's experiences with nature more gratifying, while simultaneously helping them develop key life skills. Finally, by exploring nature, the kit will encourage a healthier lifestyle, as studies show being outdoors reduces stress, promotes exercise and increases sleep quality. The manufacturing process of NatureOne is also climate and socially friendly, due to most of the pieces being crafted directly from felled timber. This means there is no need for the wood to travel to sawmills to have to be debarked or cut into boards, and can in fact be delivered directly to woodland centres where it will be handcrafted. In-house craftsmen or volunteers will run courses in how to manufacture these pieces, teaching students new crafts. Some profits from these products and courses will be used to help restore local woodland, used to plant more trees or donated to organisations which focus on climate protection. NatureOne is the perfect product to encourage children to put down technology and venture into their local green space, with research revealing no other outdoor adventure kit with similar contents which also incorporates construction. These points are what makes NatureOne so unique, innovative, healthy and educational.